Let me show you a very unique way of cooking.
Okay.
This is in Taiwanese we call 炕窑. Usually they will use some like potatoes, sweet potatoes or corn.
放里面这边。
对，放里面，然后我们石头再拿下来，把它盖起来。
所以其实你不是用火烤，你是用石头烤。
对，用石头烤。
石头的热，然后再覆盖那个泥土上去。
对，土再把它压住。
Yeah, we have our sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato and pork ribs.
Marshall gave us this.
Yeah, we did a good job.
We made it.
Sanli is another gorgeous spot in Miaoli. It has become a popular tourist resort that many tourists here are reluctant to leave once they visit it.
Wow, I really like it here.
Yeah.
It's like a private garden.
Yeah, it's a little jungle.
Yeah.
And they grew some special plants here. So after the yellow dye that we used from the ginger, here they have plants that can produce blue dye.
Blue dye.
Right. So we're going to use that, and they will have food here that will be blue in color.
Oh.
These are those plant dyes, and yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Taiwan's indigo dyeing uses plant-derived blue dyes and fabrics which can present various shades of elegant blue, resembling images of flowing water. Even more visually pleasing are the delicious foods and desserts that use the natural indigo dye as food coloring.
Wow! Again, another feast, very creative, many different colors, many different dishes.
I thought blue dye only used on fabrics.
No, for food as well. We have noodles here that are blue. We got blue toast.
Yeah.
We got waffles, blue and pink.
I like this.
So we got some savory dishes, we got some desserts, we got salad.
It's very creative.
Yeah, I think Taiwanese people are very creative with their food. In Germany, it's like like we don't really prepare it doesn't look very artistic. But in Taiwan, they try to make it look really, really
even if it's natural fruit.
Yeah.
Which one do you want to start first?
I want to start here, actually.
This one?
So yeah, why not? You can see they have layers of food.
Yeah.
Looks really nice.
In Chinese, we have 水墨画. You make mountains.
Ink paintings.
Yeah.
I guess.
If you close your eyes, it smells like normal bread. But when you open your eyes, you're eating a painting.
It's good.
Right? 一个充满艺术的吐司. Yeah.
In Germany, we have a saying, das Auge ist mit.
Das Auge
Ist mit.
ist
It means
mit.
your eyes are also eating with you.
Yes.
So when something looks good, it tastes better.
Yeah.
I definitely agree.
In Mandarin, it's called 色香味俱全. If it looks good, it tastes good.
Yeah.
It's almost like the food is kind of an art piece, like a painting. Very impacted by colors and appearances of food. So if something looks beautiful, I always want to try it.
So this is sesame.
Totally for veggie.
Blue noodles.
Let me help you.
Oh, that's the Taiwanese way. Helping other people put food in.
Yeah. We like to feed other people.
Yeah.
You try.
Okay.
Do you want to try this? This we call 猴头菇. It tastes like meat.
Really?
Yeah. How's it? Tastes like meat.
It is a bit like meat, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Amazing.
And also like king oyster mushroom. Never had it before. Okay. Noodles.
You like it?
Yeah. Sesame. Sesame's really delicious. And of course, never waste the eggs.
This
you know why?
What?
These need some nutrition.
Okay. Right. 色香味俱全.
Alright, next.
How about some dessert? Or you want the sesame oil?
I want to keep that for last.
Sorry. You
I
want
know
the
you always
waffle?
want to go to the best thing first.
Yeah.
But I think we should keep the best thing for last.
Yes.
In my opinion. You want half of it?
Yeah. Only
It's
a
too much?
small bite.
Oh.
Because I'm a model, you know?
I'm a model too.
Together.
Okay. So this is some kind of lemon cream.
And the waffle, it's chewy.
super delicious. Wow.
And you're eating a famous painting,
Is it?
Starry Night. Yeah.
Oh. Nice.
Right?
Yeah, it's for the colors from Starry Night. Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right. You're right.
Each dish impresses with rich colors and delectable taste. Taiwan's attitude towards food can be described as very exquisite. It should satisfy our senses of sight, smell, and taste. I think this is why everyone calls Taiwan the kingdom of food.
Okay, the finale.
So far, every dish has been really good.
This one. The
If this doesn't
cheesecake.
disappoint, my goodness. You're gonna have the first bite,
Okay.
because I'll have the rest.
Do you know evil laugh?
I have an evil laugh, I know. All right, do you have a better one?
Yeah.
Okay, your evil laugh, please. I think it's more like an insane laugh. Evil, yeah, maybe.
Okay, the rest.
The rest
For
is
you.
for me, really?
Yeah.
Wow, you're so kind. Wow. That is nice. Okay. Look at this. Oh yeah, I can smell it.
You like it?
Yes. It's not super sweet. It's light. But it has a nice cheesy flavor. I like
Yeah.
it. Yes, it's good.
I think eating in this kind of environment and in this, it makes the food even taste better.
Yes. The atmosphere is just so relaxed and so beautiful. Like I said, beauty is very important.
Yeah.
Eating with a beautiful woman, in
Thank
a
you.
beautiful restaurant,
Yeah.
surrounded by beautiful nature. What more can you ask for?
That's what travel is about.
Both Yu and I are enjoying our trip to Miaoli very much, having delicious food and beautiful scenery just around the corner. What more could you ask for? Well, to thank me for showing her the beauty of Miaoli, Yu is now taking me to experience a new trend of recent years in Taiwan. I wonder what it is.
Okay, we stop here.
What a cool little truck.
Okay. 我来用一个很帅的。Marshall, you want to follow me here?
So what are we doing now?
Okay, what we're doing now is first introduce. This is Marshall,
Nice to meet you, Marshall.
the owner here. So you've been taking me a whole day to nice places.
Yeah.
Now for the grand finale, I want to give you a perfect ending. Because in Taiwan this year's it's very famous for camping.
Yes.
So especially in Miaoli, they have the highest density of camping sites.
Nice.
And this is also a very nice one. So I want to take you.
I've never been
Look
camping
around.
in Taiwan.
Really?
Yeah, so this is gonna be my first time.
Okay, Marshall will take us.
All right.
Awesome. We
We'll
can
follow
take a
you.
ride.
好，可以。
Nice.
With its many stunning mountainous areas, Miaoli has become a camping paradise for Taiwanese people. Although camping is already a very popular leisure activity among foreigners, what's special about camping in Taiwan is that each camping area has different activities for tourists to participate in and equipment to use. For example, this camping area has exciting zip lines for people to ride on.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, nice, nice.
Very smooth.
很好玩。
对，他一定会想要再玩一次的。
会。
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you want to try again?
Can I?
Yeah.
All right, I'll run over. Gotta run over.
Right?
One more time?
This is really addictive,
Yeah.
and it's not too fast.
You want me to hold you? No, that's too much, right? That would be pretty funny though if I go. All right, ready? Go.
Go! 有？阿甘正传，我下去了 ，Go！
Why are you turning? Oh, nice.
Hold me tight！ 超棒的！
很棒。
耶，你接住我了！而且我们还趁着还有夕阳的时候 ，It's still sunset.
It's very nice over there.
Yeah.
When I came to Taiwan, I noticed that the way the sun hits the earth here is different than in Germany. I cannot get this feeling in Germany. I just can. Even Germany has beautiful countrysides as well, and it's different. It's just a different magic that you have here that you don't get in Germany.
Okay, let me show you a very unique way of cooking.
Okay.
This is in Taiwanese we call 控窑. Usually they will use some like potatoes, sweet potatoes or corn.
Nice.
我今天准备就是准备一些地瓜，那到时候我们拿出来以后，我们就地瓜就放进去，
放里面这边。
对，放里面，然后我们石头再拿下来，把它盖起来，盖起来，然后石头，所以这石头热很重要。那我们可能要烧45分钟。
哦，要45分钟。
对，要烧40分钟。
所以加热的过程是最慢的，
最慢。
一热了之后就很快，可以快。
最重要的就是这个石头只要不热，你放进去怎么样，它就是不会熟。
所以其实你不是用火烤，你是用石头。
对，用石头烤。
石头的热，然后再覆盖那个泥土上去。
对，土再把它压住。我们要一直放这样子。
要一直放是不是？
对，一直放。我们等于是一直要让这个石头一直烤这个石头。
After we finish something really hard, we'll get together for a celebration.
Foreigners love campfires. We grew up with that stuff. So it's nice to have this in
And you
Taiwan.
dance around it.
Yeah. That's not what we do, but.
So now we just wait. 听这个声音好疗愈哦。
对。
在噼噼啪啪噼啪啪。
来 camping 就是要做这些事。
Although it takes a long time to cook by earth oven, making a fire together with friends and spending time together is an irreplaceable experience.
本来就是出来玩，就是要享受那个时间流逝啊。平常真的做太多了。
If you go camping, you're not going to be on your phone constantly. You have time with your friends. That's all you do, right?
Yeah.
So while you're doing this, you're just chatting, you're singing songs.
Yeah,
telling
while
stories,
you're waiting.
And that's all you need to do. You don't have to be anywhere. And
Yeah.
You can do it all night, right? That's why you do it. I'm starting to get hot. I think I need to take my clothes off. So many desserts.
很像一种邀请。我想把衣服脱掉，你要一起吗？他刚刚有秀，我错过了什么 ？What did I miss? Okay, I need you here because it's a little bit heavy.
Okay.
小心哦，这个烫。
对。哦。
Whatever you do, you look good.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I think. Oh, you haven't seen me dance yet. When I dance, I look terrible.
好，那他说我们再加一点 charcoal 在上面，
好，
确定说它会热能在里面。这是刚才烧1个小时的精华。
真的耶。
好，再来。
We could build a house on top. It would never fall.
这样就好，大概
Very sturdy.
25分钟，这样我们就再来。
I see smoke.
再来。
I see fire inside the mountain.
Cooking by earth oven is a traditional activity of farming families to celebrate the harvest. Farmers sit on the ground, stack clods, and use the local ingredients to bring out the pure taste of food. All the labor and time involved will make the food taste even more delicious.
Yeah, we have our sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato and pork ribs.
Marshall gave us this.
Pork ribs. Oh my goodness. This is the kindness of Taiwanese people.
Yes.
Wow.
Taiwanese love to treat other people.
Amazing, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We did a good job.
We made it caramelized. 哇，好好吃哦。
可以。Good.
Now we try this.
Let's see the ribs.
Wow.
I'll do the same.
Oh. And with the bonfire. Wow. What a vibe.
Yeah. This is, I think, what most Westerners dream of when they travel or like with friends, you know. Campfire, great food, under the stars.
The whole day we made 𝒊���𝒍�. And we have this white radish lantern. And
Played
this
the games.
yellow dye.
Fell in love on the floor and with the
Oh,
playing
yeah.
the game. Yes.
So romantic.
Yeah. I tried really hard to introduce you to things that you didn't know. I did not expect that you would take me here.
Oh.
So, this is amazing. This is really, really nice.
I think this ending is really perfect.
Perfect. It's a perfect ending. Taiwan is a great place to travel. I mean, super convenient, super nice people. Friends who have visited me here from Germany, they loved it here.
Because I was doing traveling show for many years. These places, I've never been here before. It was like falling in love with the land I grew up all over again. I think a travel is not about going somewhere special. It's about the person you travel with.
Yeah.
If you're watching this TV program right now and there is someone you think that's the right person, I think you should take him or take her.
Come travel to Miaoli.
Yeah, come to Taiwan.
It could be a friend, it could be a lover.
Yeah.
No matter. This is a great place for dating or friends.
Don't hesitate.
Exactly.
Life is very short.
Yes. With the
I
right
think
people.
You are the right person.
Mr. Right.
Yeah, for me to travel with.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. That sounds really sincere.
Sincere?
You're sincere.
It's like a promise. It's like a
It sounds like you want to
commitment.
travel. It sounds like you want to travel with me again.
yeah, of course.
Yeah? Where do you want to
I
go?
do. Can I bring my kids with me?
Your kids? Wow.